Hey, welcome back. It's definitely going to be a fun video today. We'll do something really fun. We're going out into the desert in search of the magical spiral labyrinth and the KOFA Wildlife Refuge. But before we do, I want to address a comment that Ruben made. And here's the comment. I think Quartzsite just may have something special. Jerry done lost all his gray hair. Maybe something in the water. Reuben. Buy your books, send you to school. You're not supposed to tell. Well, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to a place that I've been looking forward to going to for a long time. Search of the magical spiral labyrinth out there in the desert. It's located at the KOFA Wildlife Management Refuge, and we're going to go find it. Quartzsite's getting busy now after Thanksgiving. That's the first time I've had to line up for gasoline. Best place to get gas here is Love's, the Arco station on the east end of town, the Pilot, that's a good one. Range here is from 272 to 303. It's that much of a range within just a block or two. Should be down here about 25 miles or so. I'll tell you, there's one thing you'll find out. You come to Quartzsite. Wherever you go, the mountains follow you. It's KOFA National Wildlife Refuge. Take a right here and you see the mountains, how beautiful they are. Now, I don't know how far down we go, but I suspect it's about 3 miles. Well, that's what I was told, so I guess I do know. Go down this road, Palm Canyon Road. So this is BLM. Well, yes, it is. It's BLM out here. Palm Canyon Road, right after mile marker 86, headed south to Yuma. We're in Yuma County now. So this is considered Yuma, not Quartzsite. Look how pretty the mountains are. Aren't they beautiful? Pretty nice road. Having a good hit. Obviously a maintained road out here. There's a RV. I mean, my understanding, it's not marked, so you have to just watch for a wide spot in the road. Keep on trucking. Yeah, this is BLM, no question about it. If there's no fence around it, it's BLM. Oh, it's a marker. The KOFA National Wildlife Refuge. Nice marker. Well, it appears I passed it up, so I'm gonna have to backtrack here. Okay, I think this is it. I think this is it right here. According to GPS, let's turn in here and see if this is it. There's a camper out here. Let's see if this is it. I think it is. Yep, okay, this is it. Yeah, this is it right behind me here. We're going to take a look at it from the air. Take a ground look at it first. Yep, here it is. Right here. We're going to get some drone shots of this. So in the center. So in the center, there's all these little artifacts that's been left. Some coins, little toys and trinkets. Here it was left 5 years ago. There's something about this. Somebody spent a lot of time on this. It's like a perfect circle. People do things like this. I think, personally, it makes it sacred. I know I'm right about that. Some could argue, I guess, that this is decimation of the desert floor, destruction of the desert floor. But you have to admit, it's very creative and extremely well done. And the interesting thing about it is no one that I can find knows who did this. Some say it's 5 years ago, some say it was done in 2010. But whoever did it, it took them a long time to do this. Man, that's a lot of work.